Hi kiddos, this is Miss Nidia, and today we are going to build a bird feeder. So, I'm sure many of us have seen birds in our backyards. We've seen them all around. But did you know that there are around 10,000 different types of birds, approximately? Yeah, those are a lot of birds. So, for this activity, we are going to study them. And how are we going to do that? Well, with this bird feeder, we are going to try to attract birds and then observe them and see what type of birds are in our neighborhood, in our backyard, okay? So, in order to start this activity, we will be going over the materials we will need. A plastic milk or juice container with a cap, a pair of scissors or a craft knife, a wooden dowel, twig, or wooden coffee stirrer, bird seeds, 2 mini cups, one filled with water, tape, a glue gun, twine, yarn, or thin rope, paint brushes, and paint. Also, you will need an adult to help you complete this activity, so make sure your parent or older sibling is helping you. So we're going to grab a milk carton and we're going to cut. So let's take our scissors. So now that we have our hole, we are going to put some tape, or you can use a glue gun to glue it so that when birds go inside, they don't hurt themselves, okay? I have my glue gun, and so we are going to go all the way around our milk carton so that when birds go inside of it, they don't hurt themselves. So now, right under our hole, we're going to make a little smaller hole because we're going to insert our little wooden stick, okay? So make sure an adult is helping you. So here's my little hole. Now we're going to grab our twig. We're going to stick it in here, just like that. Now we're going to get our glue gun and we're going to put glue all around the twig so it doesn't fall out. And we'll put more inside to make it more secure. Now we're gonna stick the little cups inside our container. I cut mine using 2 water bottles. You can do that as well, or if you have 2 mini cups, you can use those. So now we're gonna get our glue gun and we're gonna put glue all over the bottom of our mini cup so we can stick them inside of our container. And we're gonna do the same thing with the other cup. There you go. For this step, we're gonna make 2 small holes on the top part of our container. Make sure an adult is helping you make the holes. Now, through the small holes we just made, we're gonna put some string so we are able to hang it later on. Now we're gonna get the 2 ends together and we're gonna tie them. Make sure you tie it strong enough so that when we hang our bird feeder, it does not fall off. So we are finally done. This is mine. And now we get to paint. For the final step, we will be painting and decorating our bird feeder. You can decorate it any way you want. You can use stickers, stones, shells, tree bark, even construction paper. I am painting mine. I love to paint and my sister does too, so she actually helped me. I'm just gonna be putting the finishing touches and we'll be done. And finally, we're gonna grab our hot glue gun and we're gonna put some glue over the small holes so that when we hang it and it's raining, water doesn't go in. Here's mine. I think it's so cute. So now it's time to hang it. I added some leaves. You can add your water and bird seeds. And this is how it looks. It looks so cute. Really hope you guys enjoyed this activity as much as I did. I had so much fun. So give it a big thumbs up and thanks for watching. Remember to wash your hands and keep social distancing. So you guys stay safe. Bye.